welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Today I have created a Sara Ali Khan inspired makeup look, though we cannot see what she is wearing, but I have worn a kurti of red color and yeah, I have just recreated the makeup, so please ignore my dress. Yeah, that's all I have to say, and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. For priming my face, I am using Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer from Sugar. I am warming this primer between my fingers and then applying it on my problematic areas. This will smoothen out and blur my pores and mattify my face a little bit. In this picture, Sara does not have a super dewy glowy skin, rather she has a skin-like finish. So for that, I am going to use my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and I will just take a very little and try to cover my whole face. Just a few drops, like I have not taken up anything, just whatever is there on its like whole body on the outside, that is what I am applying on my face. And then I'm going to blend this out using my damp beauty blender. I am leaving out my under eyes because I'm going to just add a little bit of concealer there because I have a horrible dark circle there. Yeah, that is what I want for my coverage, like almost nothing, but something. For concealer, I'm going to use my usual LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to use just a little bit to hide my dark circle. Her face is not highlighted at all, just it has an even tone. I'm not squeezing out anything, just again what is there on the brush tip, I'm applying that. Now I will blend this using my concealer brush because I feel like brush gives a better coverage. This is almost a no makeup look. You can also use your BB cream, but I don't have a BB cream because either I do a full face of makeup or just nothing. So I have given my BB cream which I used to use earlier to my mom and she has already used that up. So I have nothing left as BB cream. I have not done a lot on my brows, just applied a clear mascara, this one from Wet n Wild, and because her brows are looking super natural, so I have kept it like that. Now I am going to prime my eyelid using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand. This one is not supremely lighter than my skin like a white base, rather this one is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and this one is like a no makeup look, so I am going with this concealer only. She has like a cool toned pink on her crease and champagne colored shimmer on her eyelid. So for that I am going to use Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild, and I am picking up this color, like this cool toned pinky shade, and applying this on my crease just like she has, like a hint of pink and like in between pink and brown, yet a cool toned color. And then I'm going to pick up this champagne shimmery shade with this flat shredder brush. Okay, will it apply on my bare skin? Yeah, I think I need a setting spray. I was not actually happy with the champagne color from the Wet n Wild palette. So I'm going to pick up this champagne highlighter from my sugar palette and just apply it on my just lid area. I'm also going to apply the same highlighter on my inner corner just to open up my eye a little bit and on my brow bone. She has some highlighter on her brow bone and inner corner. On her lower lash line she has some brown, so I am picking up this light brown shade on this flat shader brush and smudging it out on my lower lash line. She has also tightlined her eyes using a brown cudgel, and I am going to do that, and for that I am using Metal Brown from Faces Ultime Pro. Does not have any contour going on, but still I do not have a structured face like her, so I'm going to lightly contour my face using this contouring powder from Sugar Palette. She has a light peachy blush going on her lips, so going on her cheeks, not lips. So that is why I am going to use apricot in the middle from Wet n Wild. From the temple, I am using it on my cheeks. This way you will not apply a lot of blush, but there will be a flush of color which will blend into your contour. This has a slight sheen into it, so I won't have to use another highlighter on top of it because this is a no makeup look, so we are not going to apply a lot of product. So our base makeup is almost complete, and now I'm going to apply a mascara. I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. She has applied a ton of mascara, so I am going to do the same. For lips, I am going to line my lips with a lip liner from LA Colors. The name, I don't know what the name is. I'm not overlining my lips, just defining it a little bit. Okay, I could not find a proper lipstick of the color she is wearing, so I have mixed and matched a few lipsticks. Like this is truly My Lips But Better from Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. Then I mixed this TGIF from Nykaa Creamy Matte collection. So yeah, and then I got this, which is truly My Lips But Better version, and on that she is wearing some lip gloss, but I don't have a clear lip gloss, so I have applied a lip balm which is also from Nykaa. Yeah, a Serial Kisser lip balm. I will complete my hair and that earring and everything, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is my final look, and yeah, I have worn this earring which is not exactly the same, but the color is same and the texture is same. So yeah, this is my final look. If you guys like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.